Hello and welcome to the session. In this session we discuss the following question which says, find the subtriplicate ratios of the following ratios. In the first part we are given the ratio 216 a to the power 6 is to 343 b to the power 6. In the second part we are given the ratio 1 upon 8 is to 1 upon 125. Before we move on to the solution, let's see what is the subtriplicate ratio of the ratio a is to b. Its subtriplicate ratio is given by cube root of a is to cube root of b, or a to the power 1 upon 3 is to b to the power 1 upon 3. This is the key idea that we use in this question. Let's proceed with the solution now. In the first part we have the ratio 216 a to the power 6 is to 343 into b to the power 6. We are supposed to find out the subtriplicate ratio of this given ratio. So the required subtriplicate ratio is given by cube root of 216 a to the power 6 is to cube root of 343 b to the power 6. Let's see what is the cube root of 216 a to the power 6. This is equal to cube root of 216 multiplied by cube root of a to the power 6. Now 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 is 216. Thus cube root of 216 is 6 multiplied by cube root of a to the power 6, which is a to the power 6 whole to the power 1 upon 3. Or you can say we get cube root of 216 into a to the power 6 is equal to 6 into a square. So thus we get this is equal to 6a square is to, now let's find out the cube root of 343 b to the power 6. Let us now see what is the cube root of 343 b to the power 6. This is equal to cube root of 343 multiplied by cube root of b to the power 6. We know that 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 is 343. Thus we get cube root of 343 is 7 multiplied by b to the power 6 whole to the power 1 upon 3. So we get this is equal to 7b square. So 7b square is the cube root of 343b to the power 6. So this is the required subtriplicate ratio, that is 6a square is to 7b square. So we say subtriplicate ratio of the given ratio 216 a to the power 6 is to 343 b to the power 6 is 6a square is to 7b square. So this is the answer for the first part of the question. Let us now see the second part, in which we are given the ratio 1 upon 8 is to 1 upon 125, and we need to find the subtriplicate ratio of this given ratio. So for this we have the required subtriplicate ratio is given by cube root of 1 upon 8 is to cube root of 1 upon 125. Let's see what would be the cube root of 1 upon 8. This is given by 1 upon 2. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 is to Now cube root of 1 upon 125 is given by 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 2 is to 1 upon 5 is the required subtriplicate ratio. This can be written as 5:2 by cross multiplying. So we have the subtriplicate ratio of the given ratio 1 upon 8 is to 1 upon 125 is 5:2. So this is the answer for the second part of the question. This completes the session. Hope you have understood the solution of this question.